Are you looking to design your own custom t-shirt? Whether you need a one-off t-shirt for that special occasion, something individual for everyone in the family, or maybe you need to deck out the entire team with new outfits. Lightinthebox T-shirt printing gurus, who make it simple and easy for everyone to design, personalize and print their own t-shirts. No minimum orders, no setup fees, no worries. 3 single steps is all it takes to bring your idea onto a t-shirt. First, choose from over 20 different styles, colors, and bits. Including men's, women's, or kids' t-shirts, singlets, hoodies, and more. Second, use the free online designer to add your own text and images. Choose from hundreds of fun designs, or you can even upload your own photo. Lastly, confirm the sizes and number required. Checkout, and Lightinthebox handles the rest. All in full color, high quality print. Packages usually arrive within 3-5 business days, and the price is as low as $4.99. So try out the free online designer today. Lightinthebox.com.